right, so these are my husband's favorite wings. They're called whiskey wings because we marinate them in whiskey or bourbon. You use whiskey if you want it smokier and earthier. You use bourbon if you want it a little sweeter. And we usually cook these during the warm months of the year outdoors on the smoker. We have one of those big green eggs, they call it. But you can make any wing in the oven. You do not need to deep fat fry it. Put the oven on 450, the rack in the middle, and honestly, it's better for you. They're not deep fat fried. You feel better about eating more. Like, nobody eats one wing, right?
No.
It's like one potato chip.
No, it's a contest.
You put a wire rack inside it so that all the fat drips away from the wing and it gets evenly crispy all over. Cider vinegar, hot sauce, Worcestershire, whiskey, and some black pepper and garlic. That goes in a bag. I put this inside a bowl so it doesn't drip in the fridge and leave it overnight exposed to the air so they start to dry out and they marinate, okay? Then you bake them off like this. I've got some working in the oven. Here, I'll put these back here. I put them in at 450 until they're super crispy all over.
That's a
Just
good
like
idea.
a deep fat fryer, but you're saving a lot of calories and a lot of hassle and a lot of mess.
Look at that.
See how crispy they look? Now they're naked. They're not done.
Oh, well, let's
But
put some
doesn't that
clothes
smell
on
good?
them. Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Of
Put
course.
some clothes on them. That's what you do for a living. So we can do this with the wings. Okay, then you take garlic and butter, same amount of butter to hot sauce when you're making any wing.
Okay.
Use 4 tablespoons of butter per 24 wings. You need 4 tablespoons of hot sauce. I don't measure, you just eyeball that. So about 4 turns of the pan. To that, we add a little Worcestershire, a couple of glugs, and of course you add your whiskey or bourbon. So you put your crispy wings in here. Keep going, keep going.
Yep.
Whoops.
Oh, got it.
Nice catch, thank you.
Done.
So we've established you don't have a team, but you do like wings and you like to watch sports. If you were not an actor and Broadway performer, was there a second choice? Was there anything else you really loved in life that that road you would have gone down?
Baseball.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
man. What position?
Yeah.
Flip it around.
Catcher.
Catcher, so you've got
catcher and
good
third
knees.
base. No, I have horrible knees now. but
Which is why you
probably didn't
become a
help. Yeah. Yeah, baseball's a passion of mine.
Okay, throw it on there. Do you know I threw out a game ball once?
Yeah, you
My
did.
team is the Red Sox, and I threw from the mound over the plate.
Of course you did.
Veritech caught. Did you ever throw out a game ball?
I have.
I'm gonna top this with some crumbled smoked blue cheese and put some vegetables on here because that's how there's no calories in wings. And then boom, you're done.